everything is energy and everything has energy. So two types of energy, three types of energy. One is a positive energy, one is a negative energy, one is sometimes positive, sometimes negative. It wherever the popularity is there, it goes on the other side. It swings. The positive energy, like we experience if you meet some people and after that you feel very drained. You would have spoken for only 10 minutes, you feel very drained. That person is like he sucks the energy from us. Many people working in the hospitals, nurses, they say, though they work for 8 hours, they come out drained. Though they pay higher, there is no substitute for the energy. The patients, many patients, so much they draw the energy, the doctors, nurses, they come home drained. And in the meeting also, office meeting, some people, they draw so much of energy. In some people, if you are associating, you feel so positive. So much of energy is there. We say that person is full of energy, full of positive energy. We also feel very positive. Positive. That is why in the scriptures they say you should have a satsang. Satsang means associate with the people who have positive energy. If you are associating only with the negative people, always complaining, whinging and cringing, though it's for popularity, I may be doing some negative comments, I'm very popular on the media, I'm drained and I have drained energy. What is the repercussion of that one? When I have the negative energy or low energy, body immunity goes down. When the body immunity goes down, susceptible to various ailments in the body. So many diseases. And being negative, it affects me also. I am not immune to that one. My life, there's so much negative, and towards the end, it is I finish the game of my life with negative. And we must be very careful about the type of food we eat, type of people we associate with. And Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about Yukta ahara viharasya, Yukta chestasya karmasu, Yukta swapna avabodhasya, Yogo bhavati dukkha. Yukta means the right, the positive. You should have the positive food. Yukta ahara. Yukta vihara means my social circle should be positive. Not the one always whinging and criticizing, whinging and cringing. And Yukta ahara viharasya. Yukta chestasya. My action should be positive. Not a negative action. My outcome should be positive. Yukta chestasya karmasu. Yukta swapna. Swapna means my thinking. What I am thinking outside, I may pretend to be doing good, but thinking negative, it will affect. Yukta swapna avabodhasya. Not only thinking, my wakeful state also should be, action should be that way. Positive. Yukta chestasya karmasu. Yukta swapna avabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. If you want to move away from the negativity and from the physiological health, if you want to have good physiological health and psychological health, you should resort to the positive food. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about what is the positive food, what is the rajasic food, what is the tamasic food, and what is the sattvic food. Though we may say every food is the same. In yoga, it talks about resort to the vegetarian food. The reason it is saying vegetarian, when the animal is slaughtered, it goes through so much of pain, every animal endures the life. If I am told I will be hanged in half an hour, so much of all the enzymes, negative enzymes start secreting. For example, Bhutto was hanged to death, and he was told that tomorrow morning he will be hanged. He was imprisoned in Pakistan. He had all the, his hair was everything good, and they served him sumptuous meal previous night, sumptuous meal, and he could not eat anything, whatever he wanted. They served sumptuous meal. He could not eat. Overnight, his hair became grey. Overnight, in one night, all hair became grey, all creases. He looked like 20-year older. Overnight, so much of the negative hormones got secreted. And then he was, when they took him to the gallows, he was already dead. They carried him. He could not even walk. That is the same situation when the animal, if you have seen animal, how it is taken in the slaughterhouse, when it is taken in the conveyor, it is secreting. Its limbs have become very tight, releasing the anger hormone, frustration, fear hormone into the bloodstream. So, in the outside, in the shop, they may say, happy cow, happy goat, happy chicken. It is, we are eating, but it's an effect on us. It has an effect on that one. That is why in yoga says, if you want to calm your mind, keep the mind healthy, and that pain it has gone through, why do you want to take it on to you? You are taking on to you, avoid that one, because it will have an effect on you also. You have effect on that one. And today I will show you the energy. Today we had banana, we had our nectarine, we had the plum we did not have, and this onion. Some people they say without onion I can't cook, and it's a must, it's a vrata for me. And we'll check the energy. Everything has an energy. Like the electrons orbit around the nucleus clockwise. Moon orbits around the earth clockwise. If you are looking at the top, from the top, earth is orbiting around the sun clockwise. In the place of worship, we go around clockwise, keeping the object on the right. That means we are in tune with the energy in the universal energy. This energy, we can pick up the energy from each of this. Now, this banana above from there, it has picked up the energy. It has a good positive energy. This nectarine is in the kitchen. It also has a very positive energy. And this onion, when I bring it, it is going other way. It is going other way. And in the previous retreat, I had asked people to bring alcohol bottle and meat. It was had a even higher negative energy. and this plum from our tree. This also has a positive energy. In the Shastras they say when you are eating you have to be happy. If you are sad and when you are eating, food will become like a poison. And not to criticize, if the food is bad, not to criticize, food is bad because it becomes like a poison. For example, this plum, so much of positive energy, somebody, if they give it to me, I start complaining. Such a small plum, such a, it's no shape. It's a useless plum, no taste. You are, you are an insult to be called as a plum. You are a useless. When I talk that way, and now I will check the energy. When you are talking, it is already has absorbed the negative energy. It has become negative. It is going. So, when you are eating, not to criticize food. You have to pray and eat. That's why if you criticize, the negativity goes on that one. It goes into the body as a poison. So, you have to be, when you are eating, we eat only when you are hungry, when you are happy. When you are happy, you eat. Otherwise, when you are sad, when you are so angry, we tend to eat. When you are angry, we tend to throw things into our mouth. When you are so angry, we don't know what we are eating, but in the office also, people have a snack bowl and end of the day that is empty. And so frustrated, and you should be eating only when you are happy. The mindful living, what yoga is talking about, mindful living. You should be mindful of what you are eating, and also while cooking, whoever is cooking at home should be chanting the mantra or positive things. Think good, positive, and cook. You are infusing the energy into that one. Not to criticize, you are keep on the phone talking negative about somebody and whinging and cringing, shouting. When you are doing, we have seen the energy on the food. The negative food energy will come into our body. When you are cooking also, every step, it has an effect on our body. Be mindful of what you are thinking at the time of cooking, and at the time of eating also, at the time of dealing with people also, at the outside also, not to keep on talking so much of negativity against others. It will have a boomerang effect on us. Yes?
Guruji, did you bring one of those dried dates? Can you check for the dried dates?
I don't have a dry date here. Yeah.
Because that also might have bliss energy.
No. And this is the positive energy. Be mindful of what you are eating, and the positive energy. Positive energy, be positive. And today we will do an experiment on, I will, another 1 hour is there. I will check your energy, and tomorrow we will check again, see how the retreat has improved the energy in you all, and